Hey everybody, it's Dave Berman from Daily Laughers. Welcome to your Laugh of the Day video for July 3rd. This is day 185 in a row, sharing with you my daily laughter practice in hopes of inspiring you to start laughing intentionally, laughing on purpose, all on your own every single day because it feels great and there are a lot of health and social and spiritual benefits. Even when you laugh without jokes and humor, you just do it on purpose, your body and brain can't tell the difference. We know this because of laughter yoga, which is practiced all around the world, which is why we include guests in these videos from all around the world. Today, joining me from Millau, France, this is Corinne Vignier. Nice to meet you, Corinne. Thank you for laughing with me.
Hello.
So you are a certified laughter yoga teacher, which means you train other people to lead laughter groups, and you also do a lot of work bringing laughter into some unique places like schools and businesses and even prisons. And I want to hear about that. That's very interesting. But wait to tell about that until after you show us some laughter exercises and engage our viewers to laugh with us, okay?
Okay. So I propose you today to try short sequences, a few laughs, to start the day with a lot of energy and joy.
Okay, that's great.
First, when you decide to break the alarm when it rings in the morning, early in the morning. And you want to break it. And second, you are still sleeping and you have to stir your spoon in your coffee and and you forgot to put the sugar. And it's the same if you drink tea. And you want to eat a slice of bread with butter and jam. So you take your slice of bread, some jam, hey, some butter, hey, After it's time to take a shower of laughter. So cold water, hey. Hot water,
Oh.
And after it's time for your hair, be relaxed with your hair. And and take a deep breath and and after, if you want, you can put on some perfume of joy and energy. And after, you can draw a beautiful smile on your face, and you're ready to go and have a beautiful day.
Well, first I have to fix my alarm clock for tomorrow, though.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Thank you for that. Do you have any other laughs you want to show?
I can show you a laugh when people speak during a session.
Okay.
They do this, and we laugh a lot in my club. So if people speak and you want just laugh, you can do like this. Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey.
And you can be
So you use that in your laughter club if people start talking instead of laughing?
I don't understand, excuse me.
So I want to make sure that I understand when you use that. You're saying in Laughter Club, we're supposed to only laugh and not talk. And so you do that to tell people stop talking and just laugh.
Yes, just laugh.
Yeah. And that's a great thing. People who've never been to a laughter yoga class might not understand that we laugh on purpose, just like you're seeing us do, but also that we encourage people to only laugh and not talk, because when we talk, we use that logical, analytical left brain, and we want to just bypass that and use our creative, silly right brain and be playful and childlike. And so that's a great technique for other laughter leaders and laughter teachers to know. Let's do that one more time, just so our fellow laughter people can. Okay. So, hey. 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 Hey.
Like this. Hey.
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 Hey. I like that a lot.
Yeah.
Thank
I
you
love
for
a lot
that.
after.
Thank you for that. So how often does your club meet, your laughter club?
Excuse me, I don't understand.
How does your club meet? Once a week or once a month?
Once a week. Well, since 6 years. 6
years. That's great. That's great. And if people want to laugh with you, how can they find you?
They can find me on my Facebook page or on my website.
Okay, so we'll post those links in the description of the video here. Tell us briefly about some of the other places that you laugh. I already mentioned to people that you laugh in schools and businesses, but I wanna hear you talk about laughing in prisons a little bit. Can you talk about that?
Yes. I was in Spain last year in prison with Javier Ruiz Gomez, and we were in prison, Figueras, and we led some sessions with prisoners, and it was an experience very, very emotional. Yeah. Because people can go out. Sometimes there are hard conditions for them to live there. And one time I can speak about an experience if you want.
Yes.
One time we were with people from second level, people who have made a murder or other things very hard. And this time there were a young man, 27 I think, and he was struggling, and he couldn't laugh, and he was always like this, very stressed to think he's here and he can't go out. And I helped him to do exercises of laughter, and when it was the moment of laughter meditation, he couldn't laugh. He was struggling, and I said to him, please just do ha 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 ha, and he did this ha ha ha, and after he was able to laugh, and he took my hand after the meditation, and he looked at my eyes, and he told me, thank you, now I'm quiet. And it was a very, very good experience.
Wow, that's a powerful story. Not just because prisons are a place where I imagine there's not a lot of laughter, and that those people in jail and prison could make their environment more bearable, easier to tolerate if they had more laughter, but also because you're illustrating how when we just make laughter sounds, when we begin by simulating laughter, our body will still respond as if it's real laughter. And when we laugh with enthusiasm, even when there's nothing funny, our body, again, can't tell the difference that there's nothing funny. So the body experiences the changes of lowering stress and improving your mood and decreasing pain and so many other things that we talk about in these videos. But what a great example. This story really showed how true that is. Thank you, Corinne, for sharing that.
Thank you too. And now I speak about it, and now I have
the goosebumps.
Yeah, because it was a very, very deep experience.
Yeah, powerful story.
And we have to spread laughter yoga everywhere, and more often in prison and everywhere. We have to spread laughter yoga.
Yes. And so we do. We make a video for the Daily Laughers channel every single day. We invite our viewers to subscribe here on YouTube. Join our Daily Laughers Facebook group with people from all around the world. A great opportunity to meet new people and find new friends to laugh with. When we laugh with people, we almost instantly become friends with them. And we'll continue making a video every day for the rest of this year in hopes that you will take up your own daily laughter practice. So, Corinne, thank you again for laughing with me today. It was a pleasure to meet you, and we'll continue to have fun together on Facebook.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Au revoir.
Au revoir.